Okay, hello everyone. We are Team Relief, registered under the category of Student Innovation. Our problem statement ID is SIS25131 with a student title Student Innovation under the theme MedTech, Biotech and Health Tech, PS category Software. It is our honor to present to you our project Relief, an innovative health technology solution designed to transform healthcare across India. Healthcare in India still faces two big barriers. First, accessibility. Rural and underserved communities often lack even the most basic healthcare facilities. Secondly, affordability. A single clinic visit or test may cost 2000 rupees or more, making quality healthcare unaffordable for millions. This is the gap we aim to bridge with Relief. Relief is an AI powered smart health kiosk that brings healthcare closer to people anytime, anywhere. With Relief, users can perform self service health checkups with over 22 plus parameters such as blood pressure, oxygen level, heart rate, and more. They instantly receive personalized reports, prescriptions, and even more automated machine dispensing with UV cleaning technology for hygiene. And all this is available 24/7 at just rupees 30, a fraction of usual clinic cost. So now I'll show you how our websites actually work over here. This is our website. Click on let's find your better option. Choose your language. We also select choose language according to user state. Here, enter your name, age, email, and your phone number, and also select your gender. You will receive two options over after that: health checkup and medicine dispensing. First, we'll check health checkup. In this we calculate users 22 plus parameters. First is blood pressure. The machine is attached to backend and front end fetches the data from the backend. Here also we show the animated, you can see over here animated like animated instructions so that users can know how to do it. Next is our oxygen measuring. In all the parameters whatever we are measuring, we have shown over here animated instruction to how to use it. Next, select your eyesight, and these all will be calculated through backend, machine backend. Here you get all the report over here. The health checkup module provides users with a complete report of all their health parameters after reading are collected from the census. The system also calculates BMI, weight, and related metrics using the compact hardware unit. The system also displays graph, which here you can see the graph, um, which which allows user to track their progress. For example, after checking their health status once, if a user checks it multiple times, the graph will show their past health data as well. This helps them monitor whether their condition is improving or not. Since health ranges differ across genders, the report adapts accordingly to give accurate comparisons. And over here, for elderly users, an optional read aloud features help them understand their health report easily. Reports are sent directly, and if readings are critical, shared instantly with doctors or family. Each PDF also highlights the user's environmental contribution to promote well being. Over here, once the data is captured, an email is automatically generated containing a detailed breakdown of the result along with a personalized tip for improvement. We can show you over here. One more thing our project is that the other metrics such as body fat and water percentage is calculated using BIA, or we can also say bioelectrical impedance analysis. It is a technology that estimates body fat by sending a low level electric current through the body and measuring the resistance it encounters. Since water is a good conductor, it will help us estimate the water percentage, and the fat is a bad conductor, so the amount of current impeded will help it understood the body fat. You can see. The email has been sent directly to our this mail. I'll let you check over here. This is our mail. You can see it has full, even if it is more or less, it will show you how to check it. This is a graph, everything. Next I'll show you the second option, medicine dispensing. So this is here's a big deal. Respected our organizers, our health kiosk is unique because it can update pictures and products detail in real time through in admin panel. I'll show you over here. This means if a certain item is not selling or if you want to replace it with a new product, we can do it instantly without changing the code. It also opens opportunities for brand collaborations where their products or link kits can be displayed easily. Here, after changing the any of the pictures over here or adding the products, I'll just click on the refresh images and voila, it's done. So instead of keeping actual medicines which may not suit everybody's body type and can sometimes cause side effects, we plan to stock health kits that are useful to a wide group of people. For example, women kits containing sanitary napkins and hygiene essential, travel kits with masks and sanitizers. So for buying the process is simple. The user have to select the kit they whatever they want and the quantity they want, and next they proceed to checkout. After completing the payment, they instantly received a receipt. Meanwhile, we can show you the receipt over here. We instantly received a receipt. Sending the confirmation to the email. And the medicine will dispense through UV cleansing. Meanwhile, in the backend, the servo motor rotates, dispensing the selected items from the kiosk. This makes the kiosk user friendly, flexible, and practical for everyday health and hygiene needs. You can check your mail. This is what we receive in mail, the receipt. So, why it's a big deal? For users, it is fast, safe, and handy kits for anyone can use. For organizers and investors, change kits or add brands instantly to sell more and make more money, all without extra work. Relief is also strongly aligns with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So SDG 3, good health and well-being, SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, SDG 12, responsible consumption and production, SDG 4, quality education, and SDG 10, reduce inequality. Our journey doesn't stop over here. We are also working on integrating ECG software, which will allow users to get ECG report directly at home. This feature will be ready before the SIH final. Thank you.